just got my 11-inch Michelangelo stone non-stick frying pan, and I can't wait to take a look and see what it is. Now, one of the main selling points with this is that it came with a lid. And a lot of the cooking I do is searing, sauteing, finishing off eggs, things like that. It's chicken in a frying pan with steam, with heat on the top. So I actually had to have a cover. And it annoys me when I don't have a cover for a frying pan. So it's kind of this wood look that is really consistent not only on the handle of the cover or lid, but also on the handle of the pan. So let's take a look at the pan, take off some of the packing material. This is an alloy aluminum pan, which is really good, and it's induction friendly, so I can use it on my induction cooktop. Also, I can use it on the gas cooktop that I'm going to be using. This is what they call an ultra non-stick scratch resistant coating. Scratch resistant, we'll see about that. I'm still going to use silicone, whether it's a whisk or tongs or a spatula on here. Because these things, let's face it, they tend to scratch when you put metal against them. You really shouldn't be doing that. And it's beautiful. I don't want to ruin this beautiful look. I really like this color. It's the color that I thought it would be, that I saw when it was advertised. And the color goes all the way back. And of course, there we get the flat aluminum, which will, again, is induction friendly on the cooktop. If you have an induction cooktop, I'm also going to use it for gas. I'll be using it for both. I really do like the handle. Again, it matches this nice cover, so got a little style going on. And it feels heavy. It just feels heavy duty. So now the only thing I have to do is just put it to work and see how it does with the heat on it and with the food in it. And I know you're interested in that too. So be looking for that review as well.